Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to teach you how to go ahead and log into your TikTok account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To do this, firstly you need to open your TikTok app. Then it opens a home page of TikTok, provides you varieties of options to use your phone number, Facebook, Apple, Google, or Twitter. So I'm gonna use my phone number. You can put your phone number over here. It needs to send code in your phone number, so click on the send code. Put the code over here. So here you need to select your birthday. Next, create a password. Click on the next button. Make sure you create a strong password and click on the next button. Here you need to keep your nickname, so you can keep your name. So here you go, your TikTok account is created. Now you can enjoy the world of fun. Subscribe our channel for more tech related tutorials, and thank you for watching.